Make money online in 2024. Top 5 proven methods. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can make money online in 2024. Look, times are tough, inflation is still crazy, and let's be honest, who couldn't use an extra $1,000 a month? Whether you're looking for a side hustle to beat inflation, or you're trying to build a full-time business and ditch your 9-to-5, there's something here for everyone. We're going to be covering everything from freelancing and affiliate marketing to building your own online business and selling products. And the best part is, you don't need a ton of money or experience to get started with a lot of these. The internet has truly leveled the playing field, and if you're willing to put in the work, there's never been a better time to build a real income online. So grab your notebooks because we're about to break down each method step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which online money-making opportunity is right for you. Let's get started. First up is freelancing. Now, freelancing is all about leveraging your existing skills to provide services to clients all over the world. And the best part is you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. No more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from wherever you want. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I don't have any skills that are valuable online. Trust me, you'd be surprised. Are you good at writing? There's a huge demand for freelance writers to create website copy, blog posts, and even social media captions. More of a visual person? Graphic design, logo creation, and video editing are always in high demand. And if you're a tech-savvy individual, web development, coding, and even virtual assistant services are highly sought after in today's digital landscape. So how do you actually find clients? That's where freelancing platforms come in. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are like marketplaces connecting freelancers like you with potential clients. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and browse through job postings that match your expertise. When you're starting out, it's all about building a strong portfolio and getting those first few positive reviews. Don't be afraid to undercharge in the beginning to get your foot in the door. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates and start earning some serious income. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours, work as much or as little as you want, and even take on multiple clients at once. It's a great way to be your own boss, have complete control over your schedule, and build a business around your life, not the other way around. And the earning potential. Well, it really depends on your skills, your niche, and how much time and effort you're willing to put in. Some freelancers are making a few $100 a month to supplement their income, while others are replacing their full-time salaries and then some. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about, become an expert in that field, and deliver high-quality work consistently. If you can do that, the sky's the limit when it comes to freelancing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a business model that allows you to earn passive income by recommending products or services that you love. It's like being a digital word-of-mouth marketer, but instead of telling your friends and family about a great product, you're sharing it with a wider audience online. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that has an affiliate program, you choose a product or service that you want to promote, and they give you a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience. Now, whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or worry about inventory or shipping. Your job is to simply connect your audience with products or services that they'll find valuable and earn a commission for every successful referral. So, how do you get started? Well, the first step is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large enough audience. This could be anything from personal finance and technology to beauty, fashion, or even pet care. Once you've chosen your niche, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests. There are tons of affiliate networks out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, just to name a few. You can also reach out to companies directly and see if they have an affiliate program. The key is to find products or services that you genuinely believe in and that you would recommend to your audience, even if you weren't getting paid for it. Now, the real magic of affiliate marketing happens when you can seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into valuable content. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even email marketing campaigns. The key is to create content that is informative, engaging, and genuinely helpful to your audience. Don't just blast your affiliate links everywhere. Focus on building trust and providing value, and your audience will be more likely to support you by purchasing through your links. Affiliate marketing does take some effort up front to get set up and start creating content, but once you get the ball rolling, it can become a great source of passive income. Chapter 3. Online courses. Share your expertise and generate income. Let's face it, everyone's good at something, right? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or you make the best darn sourdough bread in town. Whatever your skill or passion, there are people out there who are willing to pay to learn from you. That's where online courses come in. Creating and selling online courses has become one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, and for good reason. It allows you to package your knowledge, experience, and expertise into a digital product that can be accessed by people all over the world. Think about it. You create the course once and you can sell it over and over again without having to reinvent the wheel. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income while sharing your passion with the world. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I'm no expert. What could I possibly teach? Trust me, you'd be surprised at the things people are willing to learn. Maybe you're a master gardener, a DIY enthusiast, or you've cracked the code on mastering a new language. Whatever your skill set, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. The first step is to validate your course idea. Is there an actual demand for what you want to teach? Do some research, see what's already out there, and identify any gaps or opportunities in the market. Once you've validated your idea, it's time to create your course content. This could include video lessons, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and even community forums to foster interaction and engagement among your students. Now, when it comes to choosing a platform to host your online course, there are several popular options available. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable offer user-friendly interfaces, built-in marketing tools, and a ready-made audience of eager learners. They handle all the technical aspects like payment processing and course delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Once your course is up and running, it's all about marketing. Promote it on social media, reach out to your network, and consider running targeted ads to reach your ideal students. The key is to get the word out there and showcase the value and transformation that your course offers. And as you build a reputation as a knowledgeable and engaging instructor, you'll attract more students and generate a steady stream of income. Chapter 4. E-commerce. Building your online empire, one product at a time. Ever dream of being your own boss and running your own business? Well, e-commerce has made it easier than ever to turn that dream into a reality. With the rise of online shopping, starting an online store has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're passionate about fashion, handmade crafts, or tech gadgets, there's a place for you in the vast world of e-commerce. So, how do you get started? Well, the first step is to choose a platform to host your online store. Shopify and Etsy are two of the most popular options, each with its own unique advantages. Shopify is a great all-in-one solution that gives you everything you need to build a professional online store, from customizable templates to secure payment processing. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, especially those looking for scalability and growth. Etsy, on the other hand, is a marketplace specifically designed for handmade and vintage items. It's a great option for creatives and artisans looking to reach a wider audience and tap into a community of like-minded individuals. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start sourcing or creating your products. You can choose to sell physical goods, digital products, or even dropship products directly from suppliers. Dropshipping in particular has become increasingly popular as it allows you to start an e-commerce business with little to no upfront investment. You simply partner with a dropshipping supplier, list their products on your store, and they handle all the inventory management and shipping logistics. Now, building a successful e-commerce business takes more than just setting up a website and listing products. You need to drive traffic to your store, optimize your listings for search engines, and provide excellent customer service. Social media marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing can all play a crucial role in attracting customers to your store. By creating engaging content, running targeted ad campaigns, and building a strong social media presence, you can reach a wider audience and drive sales. And remember, customer service is paramount in the world of e-commerce. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns with empathy, and go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can be invaluable for building a loyal customer base. Chapter 5. Content creation. Turn your passion into profit. If you've got a knack for creating engaging content and a passion for sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world, then content creation might just be your ticket to online income. In today's digital landscape, content is king, and businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented individuals to create compelling content that resonates with their target audience. Whether you're a natural storyteller, a skilled videographer, or a gifted writer, there are countless opportunities to monetize your content creation skills. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even blogging offer various avenues for generating income from your creative endeavors. Let's start with YouTube, the undisputed king of video content. With billions of active users, YouTube provides a massive platform for creators to share their passions, connect with a global audience, and earn a substantial income. From educational tutorials and product reviews to comedic skits and gaming walkthroughs, there's a niche for every interest on YouTube. You can monetize your YouTube channel through a variety of methods, including advertising revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even fan funding through platforms like Patreon. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. TikTok, the short-form video giant, has taken the world by storm, offering a unique and addictive platform for creators to showcase their creativity and reach a massive audience. With its algorithm that favors engaging content and its focus on virality, TikTok has become a breeding ground for overnight sensations. While monetizing on TikTok can be a bit more challenging than on YouTube, there are still opportunities for creators to earn an income. Brand partnerships, sponsored content, and even TikTok's Creator Fund, which rewards creators for their video views, can provide a source of revenue. Instagram, the visual-centric platform, has also become a hub for content creators, particularly those in the realms of fashion, beauty, travel, and lifestyle. With its focus on aesthetics and its engaged user base, Instagram offers creators a platform to showcase their personal brand, connect with brands, and monetize their content. Sponsored posts, brand collaborations, and even affiliate marketing can provide income streams for Instagram creators. By building a strong personal brand, cultivating an engaged following, and creating high-quality content that aligns with their niche, Instagram creators can turn their passion into profit. And let's not forget about the power of blogging. While it may seem like a relic of the past in the age of social media, blogging remains a viable option for content creators looking to establish themselves as thought leaders, build a loyal audience, and generate income. By creating informative, engaging, and well-written blog posts, bloggers can attract a targeted audience, establish themselves as experts in their niche, and monetize their content through advertising, affiliate marketing, and even the sale of digital products or services. There you have it, 5 proven ways you can start making money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn extra cash or you're ready to dive headfirst into building a full-time online business, the opportunities are out there. Remember, the key to success in any online endeavor is to be patient, persistent, and always willing to learn and adapt. The internet is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and never stop experimenting. So what are you waiting for? Choose the method that resonates with you, take action, and start building your online empire today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. See you in the next video.